Is your computer running slow, freezing, or acting strangely? Before you spend money on expensive repair software, you should know that there are powerful websites that can diagnose and fix many PC problems completely for free. Today, I'm going to show you 3 of the best websites that every PC user should know. These tools are safe, easy to use, and can help you restore your computer's performance in just a few minutes. Let's start with the first one. Part Picker's System Builder Troubleshooting Tools. Even though it's famous for building PCs, the website also provides incredibly useful troubleshooting guides. You'll find step-by-step solutions for common hardware problems like overheating, random shutdowns, blue screens, and RAM errors. The guides are written clearly, beginner-friendly, and help you pinpoint the exact issue without wasting time. If you've upgraded your PC recently or installed new hardware, this site can save you from a lot of guesswork. The second website is ninite.com. This one doesn't just fix your PC, it keeps it clean, updated, and fast. Ninite lets you install or update essential programs like browsers, media players, utilities, compression tools, security apps, and more with just one click. No pop-ups, no toolbars, no viruses, and no bloatware. It automatically skips junk software that often slows down your computer. If your PC feels sluggish because of outdated apps or messy installations, running Ninite once can make everything smoother instantly. The third website is virustotal.com. This is one of the most powerful free tools you can use to keep your PC safe. VirusTotal analyzes any file, link, or program using more than 70 antivirus engines at the same time. That means you don't have to install multiple antivirus programs. Just upload the file and the website checks everything for you. It's perfect for detecting hidden malware, suspicious downloads, or strange programs running in the background. If your PC is behaving unusually, a quick scan on VirusTotal can help you find the cause in seconds. These 3 websites work together to fix the most common PC issues: hardware problems, slow performance, outdated software, and malware threats. The best part is that all of them are free, with no registration needed. So before you pay for a repair tool or take your computer to a technician, try these websites first. You'll be surprised at how much they can fix and how much money you can save. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.